Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. I am back with my series of decorating a junk journal page. This series will be an inspiration for you to decorate some junk journal pages when you have the white or blank page syndrome. So, this design will be using like a big piece of ephemera. It can be smaller a little bit or a little bit more rectangular, it doesn't matter. I suggest you print it on a light cardstock instead of just a paper because it's gonna act like a pocket. So I'm using in this example my wedding photos, like the Polaroid type of photos that I have in my shop. I selected a page, as you can see, where I already printed a design on my coffee stain paper. It is really fade because it's the design. That's part of another kit that I have actually. And I don't want to hide the whole design from the page, but I know I won't be doing any journaling on that page because there's already like scripting from the design printed on the page. That makes that page perfect for getting like a pocket, a corner pocket, like I'm gonna do. So first we need a little bit more of layers. I'm picking one of my favorite paper from all time, and it's from my the Roses Paradise kit. And I'm just tearing down the paper to be bigger than the picture, and I'm gonna glue it at on the page, and it's gonna be the background just to give more layers. We can do a little collage there, but the goal in my case is that I don't want to hide the paper, the page, because there's already a design printed on it. I just want to add a little bit of layers. Of course, I'm gonna ink everything. And of course, because the paper is big, I'm gonna create a pocket out of it as well. Even if we leave it empty at the end, the option is there where we can slide a little piece of paper in that pocket or an additional tag. So in this project, I literally forgot to put something in, but I'm gonna have two pockets here. One with this paper and one with the photo, the wedding photo. So when I glue a piece of paper like that, I do a straight line for the pocket to be kind of, to have straight edges inside, but then I add some glue to cover all the way through the paper, as you could see. And then I just left an opening at the top, so I'm gonna be able to slide something in that pocket. It doesn't show at all, so that could be really like a mystery pocket or a secret pocket there. For the wedding photo, I'm just gluing two sides because it's gonna be kind of a corner pocket where we can slide a bigger piece of paper or multiple pieces. This is as simple as it is to create those pockets. And now I'm gonna use the French document, and I printed it on the continuous paper that you can have on Amazon, Staple. It's the old printer's paper where it was continuous and you had tons of holes on each sides. I love that paper because it is so thin. It's the perfect paper for me so far to kind of mimic vintage and antique papers. Of course, after the inking, I'm just smashing the paper. And yeah, you create some balls. Look at that, it looks almost real. And it's so thin that I didn't even have to print on the other side. So anyway, I'm I'm just folding it into three and hopefully it's fitting the page. Yeah, I'm happy. Now let's decorate the page, adding some labels and laces and making it gorgeous. On that Polaroid photo, there's a blank space at the bottom of the picture, so it's a perfect place to add a little word. And I'm taking, because that was on my desk, I'm thinking that those words, they're from the dressing room kit, and it's talking about elegance. And this one is Jardin de Beauté, which mean like a garden of beauties. So that makes me think like that, because all those women with their nice dresses, it's kind of a garden of beauty, right? So yeah, I'm thinking I would like to use those two. I'm just trying different options to see where I'm gonna place those two labels. And you're gonna see I came up with a great idea. The little coat was too big, so I ended up fixing it to the paper, the letter. And I thought I could use laces to decorate it. So in this video, I'm only using Crafty Me Shop laces. I know I talk about her all the time, but she's kind of my sponsor because she sends me laces as part of her design team. But I'm buying almost all of my laces from her as well, because she has the most gorgeous laces, especially the ones that she calls CMS, for C for crafty, M for me, and S for shop. So the one at the top is a CMS lace. And when she calls them CMS, if you attend to a sales on Facebook, this one too is a CMS. I'm a big fan of the CMS one. CMS, it's her exclusivity laces. They are vintage. Vintage from before 1980s. And she literally bought like the manufacturer inventory when they closed. And so it's kind of her exclusivity. They are soft, and there's nothing like that on the market that you can buy on AliExpress or wherever in stores. And this is why I am so hooked to all of her laces. She has a good flair, and she has good choices. As you see, I'm even keeping everything from the laces, even the border or a little flower or anything, because in this case I'm gonna use a portion of the border and use it as a little decoration on the side here. It makes the perfect detail, as you're gonna see. So of course I cannot leave that tool straight, so I'm cutting little pieces here and there to make sure nothing is straight. And that's what I like about those CMS laces from Crafty Me Shop. They are so soft that they are not antique, but it feels like they are antique, literally. So I'm just looking at making sure it's on the good side, and I'm trying to see if the tool should be better on the left or the right. It doesn't cost anything to try different options, and I don't know, when you get the good option, you kind of feel it or you know it. So the tool will be on that side facing the photo. And here you go, we have a cute page. So that page design, it's really just grabbing a good piece of ephemera, not so small, and create a corner pocket out of it by gluing only two sides. And then you back it with one or two or three design papers to create some more layers. And that's it. You have one or two pockets and you can slide a piece of paper there. So thanks for watching, and hopefully it inspires some of you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.